This is the story of 3 Kittens in a Boat by Geraldine Robinson, read by Ellie Dixon. Mickey, Kitty and Jack were 3 dear little kittens who lived in a nice little house all by themselves. During the summer holidays they had been very busy making a lovely new tent. One day at breakfast, Mickey said, "Let us take a holiday. We can hire a boat and go up the river. We can catch fish and swim all day. And, best of all, we could sleep in our beautiful new tent at night." "Oh, oh, what fun!" cried Kitty and Jack. So, as soon as breakfast was over, they set to work to pack their things. They took their new tent and some cushions and 2 big baskets to hold their food and their cups. When everything was ready, Kitty and Jack put on their clean white shoes, and Kitty decided to wear her best new hat. Then they started off down the road towards the river. Kitty took the baskets, which were very heavy. Mickey carried the tent, and Jack was in charge of the cushions and a kettle. They soon found a boat. It was quite small, for it had only 1 seat. But that didn't matter. Kitty and Mickey were ever so happy, sitting one at each end while Jack was rowing, or at any rate splashing around with the oars a bit. It was so nice and cool, dipping their little black paws into the water as they went along. When the kittens had gone quite a long way, they landed on the bank to have tea. They were all very hungry, and they were so pleased. There were sandwiches, 3 different kinds, biscuits, chocolate ones, fresh bread, and Kitty said how glad she was that she had brought a pot of strawberry jam. But very soon Kitty was so sorry she'd brought the strawberry jam, and so was Mickey, and so was Jack, because the wasps came buzzing round, and they wanted to eat the jam too.